be sharing with you today a helpful new mid-journey update. So we have here the styles reference under Explore tab. So let's say, for example, you are going to search floral. Okay, so you can find here SREF stands for style reference number 222. And then we have here, you can use any of this floral style reference. You can also check here images, but it's just working on videos. The search bar. See, if you're going to search on videos, you're not gonna find any floral there. So it's just more on images and styles. And so let me show you how to use this one. Let's say we are going to use this style reference here. So this one is the code. So this is the style reference number. You can also like uh, try this style, but or you can use this in your prompt. You can add this one like floral home. Floral. You can just like enter, right? Okay. By the way, I click the try style, so it will be generating two sets of images. Right, so this is the first one, and this one is the floral home. And so it will copy the style of the image. You can adjust by entering different here. Let's try another like coffee, then use this style reference, then click. You can also change here. Okay, let's try 1:1, then enter. So you can use a lot of styles here. There are a lot. This one. It's very nice. It's very helpful. So this one is the floral home. See, it's so cute. And then we also have that one. See, that's the floral coffee. And so it's just amazing update for from Midjourney. So that's it for today. Thank you.